Yes, it's very sad to see it go. You have a lot of memories through the lifetimes, and it's a sad day to see that it's ending.
It was sad. It was a sad atmosphere in there that it's going to be over after 146 years. You know, a tradition that I started going with my mother, and now I got to bring my 5 kids to it. So it was definitely, you know, a sad thing to know it's the last one.